and welcome back to the another class of our course. So in today's class, we are going to learn how programming works. Well, once again my goal here is really to just present to the basics and what is logic behind the programming. And we will play by creating some phrases that will write them down and I will change order. So I will explain you how some aspects are important. So basically how all this works? Well, how Python works as I explained in the first part, right here where you written down your code. So let's say, for example, I am going to write print, and in this case, I still write down my basic program, which is hello world, and I run this program. We can see here hello world is printed. Alright, so as I explained before, the first part right here is where I will write down my code, and in console is answer to my code. So let's say for example, my goal is here is when I am writing something is simply send to the computer instruction to what exactly the computer will have to do. So for example, right here I am sending the instruction to print, and computer will simply generate me the hello world right here. So if I ask for example the computer to make an addition, subtraction, multiplication or division, the computer will do this right here and it will generate me the answer right here. So I will see these arithmetic operations in the next videos. At the end of computer is simply completing the tasks that we ask him to do. This is the huge concept of programming. It's simply giving the computer tasks to complete. So let's say for example, I want to insert complex program. So I will create program that will give solution for this program, and then computer will simply give the answer. For example, I am creating a program that will ask me to enter my variable, so the number that I want to that count. So in this case, let's say for example, I want to do accounting for a business. I will enter all accounting numbers of this business, and the computer will generate me an answer. So the answer that I am looking for, let's say, is the income of this business or the value of this business or whatever answer I am looking for. So as I explained, the goal is here really to write down instruction to the computer. So we are going to understand how all this works. So it's very simple. We will create some phrases and you will see why there are some aspects that are important. The first aspect that is here is very important is order, in which you write down your function. Let's say for example, you take your first function, which is hello next is my name. Instead of hello world, here we write my name, and this is in the quotation marks because it's a string is. Alright, so right now we have four different words. So if I run it once again, my name is someone. This is the answer. Right now the order that I write down in my code is very important. This could be simple codes, as right here I am just generating words and I am asking Python to generate me words. For more advanced codes where I need to do some advanced calculations or enter variables or will identify variables or anything more complicated. So as I explained in the order is important why, because let's say for example we take our last line of the code, instead of putting it at the end we would put it at the beginning and delete the last line someone. As you can see, the answer will not be same because instead of having my name is someone. Well, right now my answer is someone my name is, which doesn't make sense at all. So, as you can see, if my order changes, this means the order of instruction that I am giving to the computer will change as well. So at the end, I will not get the same answer. If I give you guys a life related example, let's say for example, you are doing a pizza. You can bake a pizza before cooking pizza. So this is the exact same thing for let's say our bit exercise right now. If let's say my last, in this case, someone is cooking pizza, I can't put cooking the pizza at the beginning. Once again, that's just an example. So this is why order is very important. So that's my goal for this course. As I explained that, let me summarize the goal. That's the basic, was just to show you first of all the order is important. Secondly, how Python works. This will how Python works, simply giving orders to computer and the computer gives you the answer. So you write down your orders in editor and you will receive your answer in the console. This is the really basics of programming, not only for Python or other programming languages. The only thing that you guys do, you simply send order to computer and computer will insert those orders with an answer. So in this case, my answer is my name is someone. So that's it for this class. I will see you in next class.